back to my channel. I'm gonna show you guys around beautiful Rio de Janeiro. This is one of those chill vlogs. I've been in Brazil for a month, so I feel like I have a cadence where I have 3 or 4 or 5 chill days, and then I have my exciting day. 3 or 4 or 5 chill days, and then my exciting day. This is what's gotta work for me as a full-time traveler, or else I'll lose my mind. But this is one of those chill days. So we have like 2 more exciting days coming this week. Make sure you're subscribed. Please give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram at Maryjane_travels, because man, we have so much more that we're going to do here in Brazil. I mean, so much more. So stay tuned. But this is one of those chill days. I don't want to do anything. I want to cook. I want to relax in my Airbnb and enjoy the Airbnb. So yeah, follow me to the grocery store. I'm just gonna get some groceries. We're gonna cook. And then I have some more stuff to talk to you guys about today. But I see these big round fruits or something on the trees. Does anyone know what this is? They're not coconuts. So what is it? I don't know what that is. Anybody know? Let me know in the comments. But I don't know how they taste.
Peito de peru, queijo Minas, queijo, presunto.
Obrigada. Hey, I can see Jesus. Look at him. Look at him. There he is. Just chilling there. Hey, Jesus. Anyways. Go. Oh. Wax. So I am about to cook. I want to make, oh yeah, I have a blender. So I want to make a papaya smoothie. So I'm actually gonna freeze these. Some Greek yogurt, and I'm gonna put my Greek yogurt in this coconut. Alright, you guys, here's my food, and I'm gonna make a smoothie right now. I'm gonna make a dragon fruit smoothie. But this is my main meal. We're gonna make a dragon fruit smoothie right now. Milk, no avocado. I just put banana, dragon fruit, and milk. maybe like that much milk. Now I'm gonna add some honey. Just a little bit because it's already sweet. Some ice. Alright, you guys, my food is done. I made some eggs with some beef and some kiwi, some dragon fruit on the side, a Greek yogurt papaya bowl with dragon fruit. I have some dark chocolate that I got from the grocery store here. This is Amazonian 70% cacao, some of the best chocolate you can get in the world. It's so healthy for you. And I made myself a dragon fruit banana vanilla dragon fruit banana smoothie. Yum! You guys, I just had my delicious dragon fruit smoothie. So I made eggs. You know what's funny? I hate bananas. I've hated bananas my whole life, but the bananas in Brazil, they're different. They're delicious. Bananas from any other any other place, I don't like them. This is a dragon fruit banana smoothie. I'm gonna have my dark chocolate. I always stop eating at 5 p.m. so I always end with dark chocolate as like the last thing I eat. This only has 4 ingredients: cacao, organic coconut sugar, cacao butter, and something that I can't read. But this is from Bahia. This is Bahian chocolate. Bahia is a region of Brazil. It says here that they made this chocolate in Bahia. Cool. I love Brazilian chocolate. Yeah, it's just saying that it's like locally sourced, locally made. This is 70%. This is the good stuff. You don't want to have chocolate that's not high in the amount of cacao. Let's taste some. This is dark. This is dark. If you like sweet chocolate, you probably wouldn't like this. Yeah. Delicious. It's got that bitterness, which is so good for you, by the way. Yum. God's food, you guys. I always try to tell people, there's nothing better than God's food. If He made it, it's amazing. If He made it, it's good for you. He made chocolate, even though like people made chocolate, it's like He still made chocolate, you know? Because all the ingredients are pure. You know what I'm saying? And I always say, I'm somebody who eats one meal a day for the most part. Also, like, I'll have like smoothies and stuff like that, but I only eat one real meal a day. Makes my life so simple. I'm never hungry. I don't have cravings late at night. Cravings late at night means your blood sugar is all over the place. But oh my gosh, this is tasty. That's some good chocolate. I think I'm gonna watch a movie. I need to edit actually right now. But I think I'm gonna watch a movie for the rest of the day. You guys, I had a total and complete fail. So I went to a hostel this weekend in hopes of this weekend. I stayed there for 2 days. I went there to make a video. So many people were asking me about hostels and blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, you know what? I haven't stayed in a hostel in such a long time. Let me go stay at this hostel. So, and check it out. I heard good things and it was a total flop. And I don't like videos where like I'm talking bad about things. So, I mean, I do sometimes talk bad about things, but I don't like videos where I'm just bashing a place. Like, it's just not my style. And I did not like this hostel. I mean, I literally felt like I was going to cry twice because the people in the room were just being really nasty. Like, I was sharing a dorm with guys and girls, and I felt like the guys were being so gross. They were peeing all over it. There was only one bathroom, by the way, in the room, and they were just being gross. I can't even talk about it because it's going to make me throw up, but they were just being not very hygienic. So, like, I wasn't going to the bathroom. I was, like, leaving to go to the mall to use the bathroom, and like, I wasn't drinking any water because I didn't want to have to go to the bathroom because I refused. I was like, I'm not going to go to the bathroom. I didn't get a shower for 2 days. I know that's gross. Because the shower was nasty. Like, I just couldn't do it. So I felt like I wasted 2 whole days of like vlogging and like footage and time. But it's okay. But I was going to do like a whole video about the hostels and staying in a hostel. But guys, the video's not coming because like, when I tell you, I was like losing my mind for those 2 days. The hostel was just, oh my gosh. And then at nighttime, because I stayed on the weekend, there was parties. There's parties every night at the hostel, so like I couldn't sleep. I didn't sleep either, so it just was, I was a little upset at first. I was like, I just wasted 2 whole days. I could have been doing other things. I could have been filming other things. But it's okay. But yeah, I will not be doing that video about that hostel because I had a horrible experience. I'm so happy. When I came back to the Airbnb, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy to have my own bed and my own shower, and it's quiet and I can cook and there's not a bunch of crazy travelers. I noticed something about those hostels. They're all backpackers. Like, everyone who goes to the hostels, they're backpackers and they are ready to party. That's why they're traveling. They want to party. They want to meet people. And so they're just so rambunctious, so loud. Everyone was drunk. Everyone was drinking and loud. And I'm like a grandma, if you guys haven't noticed. I like solitude. I think that's something I've realized about myself. Like, I'm sure because I'm about to turn 30. I know that I am an introvert. You know, people go through phases, but I'm an introvert at heart. I want my books. I want to sit at a cafe. I want quiet. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not your typical traveler that wants to party and wants to know where the party's at and wants to drink. I'm the one who's like, you shouldn't drink. Every time I saw someone coming by, like, they all have beers at the hostels. Everyone has a beer constantly in their hand. And like, I'm the one that's like, you shouldn't drink beer. You shouldn't drink beer. It's not good for you. Have some avocado. Have yourself a dragon fruit smoothie. You shouldn't drink beer. Or any alcohol. But anyways, yeah. Won't be doing a video about that. If you want to go to a hostel, that's up to you. But some of them are gross. And this one I didn't love, the one here in Rio de Janeiro. And it was not so much of the hostel as it was the people. It was just the people, in my opinion. You never know who you're going to get, who you're going to be in a room with. So the person could be hygienic or not hygienic. And the people that I was staying with, they weren't hygienic. So I was having a panic attack. Yeah, and one night I was so thirsty, but I was refusing to drink water because there was no way I was going to use the bathroom. So anyways, we're going to get off that subject. I am going to clean up. I have to clean And then I need to do some laundry. That's the amazing thing about being in an Airbnb. You can do your own laundry. I have a washing machine. What else? I'm gonna watch a movie tonight and just chill. I'm gonna get this video up. I may go live tonight. I've got 2 more weeks. Oh, I have a question for you guys. I forgot. Okay. So here's my question. Please put your answer in the comments. Where do you want me to go next? I want to start asking you guys where you want me to go, because I'm on a mission to visit every country in the world. But as much as I am going in order, I'm not going in any particular order. So I have a question. Would you guys rather see me go to Bolivia or Trinidad? Please put in the comments where you would like to see me go next, because there are 2 options. Bolivia, I need to get there. I've only driven through Bolivia. I've never stayed in Bolivia, so I never counted it as a country that I've been to. Or Trinidad. I haven't been to Trinidad at all. So please put in the comments where you guys would like to see me go next. But I'm still going to be in Brazil for another 2 weeks. And we're gonna hit some Caribbean countries before the year is over, so that'll be exciting. By the way, you guys, follow me on Instagram at Maryjane_travels, because I feel like I was off Instagram for like 3 years, but I'm back in the Instagram game. I'm back. I'm loving it. I'm back in the Instagram swing, so make sure you follow me. And I'm gonna show you guys what I get up to today and what I eat. So let's go.